Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar has become the first diss track in history to win a Grammy, let alone two. In one of my last videos, I kind of explained what a diss track was. Diss was short for disrespect, so it's just a series of disses. But Not Like Us is considered one of the most aggressive diss tracks in history. The diss track against Drake is pretty crazy. Here are all of the allegations that were made. Questioning Drake's authenticity. Kendrick Lamar kind of accused Drake of being fake, suggesting that he relies on ghostwriters and industry manipulation. Secret child allegations. I didn't even notice this one. It suggested that Drake has an additional hidden child beyond Adonis, similar to what Pusha T exposed in 2018. Industry control and manipulation. Claimed that Drake influences the music industry unfairly and suppresses competition. And finally, the one that we're probably all familiar with, the grooming allegations, implying that Drake has inappropriate relationships with younger women, referencing his past friendships and teenage celebrities. A minor.